Vijay Kedia is a regular guy with unusual abilities and brains. Many investors look up to him as an inspiration and role model. They found his amazing investment method for better returns. He admitted to having a passion for the stock market when he was just 14 years old. So what prompted him to start so early? What was it about Vijay Kedia that made him so successful? How has he been able to continue to earn so much money today? Curious to know? Let's dive in. Kedia became a trader because he needed to support his family. His ability to invest and trade allowed him to make significant profits in a short period. He entered into the family business of trading and stockbroking to help run the household. Kedia disliked stockbroking, and after 3 years, he abandoned his family's farm to pursue his own trading run that he failed to do so. He left Kolkata after a few years and went to Mumbai to try his luck. He made his first investment when he bought Punjab Tractor shares of rupees 35,000. Those are some of the best performing stocks. He invested the remainder of his gains in SEC, resulting in a 10x return. After entering the trading business, Kedia made a significant profit in the first year and gained confidence in his abilities. He recognized and invested in 3 stocks: Atul Auto, Aegis Logistics and Cera Sanitary Ware. He invested in 2004 and 2005 and they grew more than 100 times over the next 10 to 12 years. He accurately forecasted that India was about to enter a thematic bull market in early 2012. Kedia's investing philosophy is S.M.I.L.E, which stands for small in size, medium in experience, large in aspiration and extra large in market potential. Kedia stated of his investment strategy, one should seek for companies with solid management, find really good management and very honest management, and look at the product in which the management is going to expand, outperform its peers and the economy. Invest in those firms for the next 10 to 15 years and you will not be disappointed. While fate plays a role in the stock market investments, he believes that knowledge, courage and patience are the cornerstones. For the past 30 years he has been investing. Try and error. He believed that if you try something and fail, you should learn from it. Then try your hardest the next time. He used to watch the other investors' success and failures and learn from their mistakes. And this is very important. Vijay always claims that in order to be a successful investor, you must have 3 qualities: expertise or knowledge to find the most profitable stocks, courage to purchase those stocks at a reasonable price, patience to hold that stock with considerable patience because the market may take some time to determine the stock's true value. Kedia Securities, one of India's largest stockbroking enterprises, owned by Vijay Kedia. Viva Global, Ramco Cements, Tejas Networks, Cera Sanitary Ware, Sudarshan Chemical, Repro India and other companies comprise Vijay Kedia's portfolio. His portfolio has always intrigued the interest of investors who have benefited greatly from his investments. In the lockdown of 2020, he added G Entertainment Enterprises Limited to his portfolio. Remember that portfolio may vary time to time. His recognition: Kedia was ranked 13 on Business World's list of India's most successful investors in 2016. In 2017, Moneylife Advisory created a microsite called Ask Vijay Kedia. He was also invited to talk as a guest lecturer at the prestigious London Business School in 2018. He was invited to talk at TEDx in November 2018. The Economic Times titled him as the market master. He might be recognized as a top gun in the stock market and the trading world. Vijay also incurred losses on multiple occasions. He began trading with a little amount and after making a tiny profit, he would move up to a larger amounts and as a result, he would frequently lose all of his gains owing to a single large loss. He also lost 70,000 in Hindustan Motors in a matter of days. His mother provided him with pieces of jewelry to help him recover his losses at that moment. It was luckily recovered after a few days without having to sell the jewelry. Because of that occurrence, he was dissatisfied with his position as a trader and quit. He also began a business supplying materials to tea gardens in Kolkata, but he failed miserably there as well. However, he started trading in the stock market. He didn't make the profit he anticipated despite being in the trading business for 10 to 11 years. He realized he was simply playing a no profit no loss game. So he abandoned trading in 1989 and shifted his focus to investment. He never took his investment philosophy for granted after the Harshad Mehta scam and decided not to compromise on analysis of the market. After the stock market meltdown in the Harshad Mehta scam, he was once again at a loss and broken. He said, "I invested without analyzing the management and quality of the firm, as a result of which those stocks sank in the market crisis and I had to pay for my mistakes." He bought Aegis Logistics for 14 rupees and sold it for 500 rupees, making a 4,000% profit. He has had a lot of returns like this before. Atul Auto Limited was purchased for rupees 5 to 10. In the initial 5 years, there was no movement, but Vijay Kedia was confident in his Atul Auto Limited strategy and management. Their stock rose above 500 after a few years. This demonstrates Vijay Kedia's exceptional patience. It's to be observed that when Vijay Kedia decided to start investing, there was no resources to learn about it.